How to change your avatar in Toobit. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your avatar or your profile picture on Toobit application. Open your Toobit app first to get started and log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner and then click on your current profile avatar at the top left. Now click on the pencil button right above your avatar and select a different avatar you want to change to from the menu. You can also upload your own photo by going to Upload Picture option and take a photo from your device's camera by tapping Take a Photo and clicking a picture. Or if you want to upload an existing picture, click on Select from Album. And then you can choose the picture from your device's camera roll and save the changes. So that way you will be able to change your profile picture on Toobit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.